Hi, my name is David, I'm in Tainan, and this is Taiwan in English. In today's exciting episode, we're looking at two words that both mean to move downwards: drop and fall. They can seem quite similar, but the main difference is often about control or intention. Let's learn how to use them correctly. Let's start with drop. When you drop something, it usually means you intentionally let go of it, allowing it to move downwards. It's an action that you do to an object. Drop can also mean lower something intentionally or to stop doing something. Here are some examples. I accidentally dropped my pen on the floor. You let it go even if it was an accident. Please drop the ball into the basket, intentionally letting it go. The company decided to drop the price of their new phone, intentionally lowering. I had to drop the class because it was too difficult. That's intentionally stopping or quitting. Now for an idiom with drop. Drop the ball. This idiom means to make a mistake or fail to do something important, usually because of carelessness or forgetting. It's like you had a responsibility, but you didn't manage it very well. I really dropped the ball and forgot to study for the English test, so I didn't do well. This means I made a mistake and failed to do my part. Next, we have fall. When something falls, it usually means it moves downward unintentionally or without someone's control. It's often due to gravity, losing balance, or a natural process. You usually don't do something to make something fall. It just happens. Some examples. The leaves fall from the trees in autumn. This is a natural process. It's unintentional. Be careful not to slip and fall on the slippery ice. This is losing balance, and it's again unintentional. His phone fell out of his pocket. This is an unintentional movement. It happened by itself. The rain began to fall. Like the leaves, this is a natural process. Here's a common idiom with fall. Fall short. This idiom means to fail to reach an expected or required standard or maybe level. You didn't quite achieve your goal. Our team worked hard, but we fell short and didn't win the championship. The meaning here is they didn't quite reach the goal of winning. Let's do a quick recap. Drop usually means to intentionally let go of something or to lower something deliberately. You do this action. The idiom, drop the ball, to make a mistake or fail. Fall usually means to move downward unintentionally or naturally, without any real control. It happens to something. The idiom, fall short, to fail to meet a standard or goal. Think about whether there's an active intention or control behind the downward movement. If there is, you're likely using drop. If it just happens, fall is probably the word you need. That's it for today. Keep practicing and I will see you next time. But before you go, if you like the video or you learned something, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss anything. And as always, if you have any questions or just want to say hi, leave a comment or you can find me on social media. There are links in the description. And I will see you in the next exciting episode of Taiwan in English. Bye.